Imagine you have a way to spy on your visitor. Yes, you have a website, you're building it, you're working very hard to build it. Now you start some marketing, tell some friends, do some posts, and you have some visitors on your site. But how can you know what they're doing on your site? How to improve the conversions? Well, today I'm going to introduce you with a tool that's called fullstory.com. This tool is basically taking screen recording of your visitor sessions. Everything they do on the site, yes, you will see exactly what your visitors are doing. Whether they are selecting things, scrolling on the page, clicking buttons, choosing other pages, going to other pages, clicking pop-ups, whatever they do, you will be able to see exactly what they do. Now, for small amount of traffic, you want to review each and every one of the session in order to know exactly where people are stopping to visit or purchase your product. Where in the funnel they are not continuing deeper down the funnel, and those are the places that you want to improve. Right now I'm viewing DoThatTask. DoThatTask is our tool to basically resolve any solution, any issue that you have on your website. You can just come, get your first $100 and get it fixed. But while we were speaking and I was explaining, FullStory is basically working behind the scenes. Let's see how it works. This is fullstory.com. They have two plans. The first plan is free. It's called, if I recall correctly, FullStory Free, and you have 1,000 sessions per month. So you don't need to pay for anything if you're a small website owner, or if you're a big one, you have the first 1,000 sessions. You can view exactly what your clients are doing, build funnels, and know how to improve your conversions. Now, let's see how it works for us. When I log into the tool, you can see all the visits that you had, where do you had it from, where did they visit it from. You can actually filter by what they do, how they do, and whatever they. But you can research it and see for yourself. It's a very nice tool. You can create funnels that shows you exactly the statistics of how many you have in every tool. But this is not my objective. My objective is to show you the most interesting part here. I want to show you exactly how this tool is recording session of clients. So remember what I did a few seconds ago? A few seconds ago I surfed through DoThatTask and show you how amazing DoThatTask is and what it can be done. Now I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So I was talking to you a little bit, and then I will scroll down, and then I click on some buttons, and you can see exactly, just like I was recorded the screen of the visitor, exactly what the user is doing. And you can put it on your site with an easy small snippet that you put on your site, very simple, and you see exactly how people interact with your own website. And by that, your job is to increase conversions and make sure those conversions are getting with higher and higher rates. Now, if you don't know how to do it by yourself, don't worry guys, DoThatTask is here for you. We'll install the tool for you, we'll do some explanation to you, and we are here to support. So feel free and to communicate with us, and talk to you the next time, the next tools.